Hi friends, my name is Daejah McCormick and I'm the sous chef here at Methodist Theological School in Ohio. We are home to Seminary Hill Farm, and today I will be showing you how to make a recipe based on the items in your CSA share. Today we are focusing on a Feta Caprese salad, and we're growing tomatoes and an abundance of basil on the farm, so it just seemed like a perfect dish to use. We are also going to incorporate quinoa, which is an excellent source of protein. Traditionally though, caprese is just balsamic, tomatoes, basil, and mozzarella cheese. So here we have our tomatoes. These are Roma tomatoes. I'm not really sure what that means or the difference it makes, but I like the way they look. We have quinoa here, which is again an excellent source of protein. We have some basil, feta cheese. I'm not a big fan of mozzarella, so that's why we have feta cheese here. And I'm actually not gonna add it to the salad itself, but leave it on the side just so our vegans and non-dairy people can enjoy it. But if you like feta cheese like me, you can add some. We have some balsamic and oil. The oil is optional, but when you're working with something really absorbent like quinoa, I think it helps to let it not dry out. And then we just have some salt and pepper and some garlic. Now we're gonna embrace our mad scientists and mix. I'm gonna start with tomatoes. Our quinoa, our basil, skip the feta, our balsamic and oil, garlic, because it's not Daejah's recipe if there's no garlic, and salt and pepper, and mix. All right. And that is our final product. So, fun little story, in my restaurant management class, my friend had just been introduced to quinoa. I think it was just becoming popular in that time, and she could not get herself to eat it because she thought they looked like caviar or fish eggs. Little feta for me, or a lot of feta. It's really good. And once I can swallow. From all of us here at MTSO and Seminary Hill Farm, enjoy.